Hi everyone, it's Jez here from Life on Time, and this is a tutorial on how to start setting yourself some smart targets and become totally awesome if you're not already on the youHQ platform. So as you log in, the first thing that you'll see is a nice hi and welcome, and the emoji screen will pop up which says, how do you feel today? And this is super important. So you'll get this every time you log in. I'm feeling good, but quite tired, so I might not be feeling tip top. So I'm gonna go to the yellow happy face emoji. So you can see it looks like this. Hopefully you'll have your school logo and it will look really nice. And this is your progress dashboard, which we're going to come back to. So the first thing I want to show you is values. We believe at Life on Time that knowing who you are and what your values are is really important to help you set meaningful goals for you. So we've picked these three headings: health and well-being, how physically and mentally healthy you are and how good you feel about yourself; connections to people, to the earth, to your pets; ambition, which is how you might want to improve academically at school or going on into your career. So we're going to use these three headings to start with, to start setting some meaningful goals. And you can see I've got 2 completed goals here: improve my yoga and improve my mindfulness. Now they're physical and mental health goals, and as a PE teacher I quite like this area, so I'm going to set myself a SMART target here. So SMART goals are what we're after: specific, measurable, achievable, realistic and relatable, and time-bound goals. Because if you just make it really vague, it's very, very difficult. Now my running used to be good, and this year it hasn't been very good, or definitely over the last few months. So I'm going to set myself a target here to run. I'm going to go through, there we go. So I've already written something like this before. So run 3 times per week until the end of this year. Improve how regular my running is for my own cardiovascular and mental health as well, because running for me is a good escape. Health and well-being goal category, which you can change here if you want to, and then you put a date in. So I've put the end of the year, so we'll go with that, end of the year, and now I can see how I go. Okay, so I'll create that goal, and then hopefully that'll pop up in an active goal. Now if I want to set an action there, I can click on new action, and it might be that to get going with that running, I might want to set myself a short-term goal or something I can do first. So I need a new pair of trainers. So I buy new running trainers. My running trainers are stinky. Okay, and then that's not recurring. I want to do that this weekend. So boom, and then I create that action, and then underneath the goal, I can click on that little drop down. I've got an action there. If I go to either the school logo here or the progress, I can now see that I've got 4 goals where I had 3 before, and I can see all the actions and so on, how many goals I've completed. So I've got a 50% achievement rate there, which is great. Here you can expand those charts if you want to, and then you can scroll down and you can see all your different goals and whether the actions have been completed, whether it's overdue. So you've got all these graphs and infographics to help as well. And then I can get all the way down to my calendar there, which looks a bit crazy at the moment, but hopefully I'll be able to see my goal through that calendar as well. Okay, so go back up. Now another thing that's really great about this app is you can start putting ideas in. So it might be quite difficult for you to set a goal, and you might not know exactly what you want to do there. So if you want to set a new idea, then that's something that you can do here. So it might just be you want to get fitter, but you don't know what the goal is. So get fitter, but I don't know how. And then that's something that you or your teacher can help you with, and you might want to put some notes in there as well, and you can create that idea, and then you can turn that idea into a goal when you want to. Okay, that's the main part of this application, this platform that we're doing with you. I think that's it for now. Good luck with this. If you've got any questions, then please go back to lifeontime.co.uk and contact us, or speak to your teachers. But good luck using this. It will make a difference. It will help you. It's quite difficult, but it's the sort of thing that if you work on and improve, you're going to really notice the difference. Good luck with it, guys. Take care, and we'll see you soon.